received my package. So let's see, this is the shower faucet. Piece number 1, 2 gloves, next hose, manual, good book. And I don't know all of the terms, but thread tape. It's wooden. Okay, these are screws. This. Plastic thing. Okay, so this is an empty slot. Then I have the mixer, and that's the mixer. And this is the sieve. This is the shower pipe. Okay, so those are what I've received. Let's see what the manual says. I should get in the box. So I would assume that I don't get the outlet nozzle because this space is blank. So I only receive this, the 2 thread tape, the screws, the flexos, the gloves, the handle. Oh.
Gold, gold, gold. That is the new style now. It is absolutely stunning. We did this bathroom all gold. We absolutely loved it. And these shower heads were a must. We wanted something that was a rain shower, but we didn't want to hook it up to the ceiling. This was perfect. And one unique thing we did is we installed this on the side, not underneath. That way you can go ahead and open it and you don't get soaking wet in the shower before applying your shampoo and so forth. That way the water can heat up and then you can go in. It is absolutely stunning. It's very true to color. It's like a brushed gold. We love it. Recommend.
Very heavy duty, good quality metal, chrome metal, well built, shower head, luxury, just like they said, good stuff. Just requires a plumber to install. Very well built materials, very good metal.
So where we cannot install it like the other
Yeah,
one.
fixed big. It's just that this has to be changed by a plumber in order to install this. So our shower head needs to be fixed.
Looks good on my tiles, with my tiles. And I also got this drain. Looks nice. So that's the top. And I got this golden rod and shark kittens. And a gold trim.
So we just installed this product a couple months ago. The hot water was working great. As you can see, the cold water flows out perfectly. Warm water flows out, but when I turn it to the hot water side, it is not working. And so I called Amazon to try to get it returned for a defective product, and now I'm getting a hard time. So it's almost better buying it from a store where you can return it.
Go ahead. No matter where we start this, it ends up on the side every single time. Right there. That's where the shower head would be. It's not working.